Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Matthew Cone. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Programs and Equipment. Yes, that's right, Programs and Equipment. We have a new episode for you guys today. Again, we have changed all our times to 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I love that you guys all show up consistently and learning new information about the programs and equipment we use as a company to make sure we are striving for success. Equipment that I'm going to talk to you guys about today is none other than Hollyland wireless mics. Yes, that's right, Hollyland. If you haven't heard it here ever before, Hollyland wireless mics. How I got in contact or how I got to the progression of getting to Hollyland wireless mics. I had a set in 2021, my first ever wireless mics that I had used consistently throughout speaking engagement programs, also weddings, which was an amazing set. I'm not going to name the name of the set, but eventually got rid of them because I knew what had to be next. One of my partners and one of the guys that I look up to that does video editing and has a video production company, he actually had a pair of Hollyland wireless mics while we were working on a job together. I tested them out. I was able to use his to see what they were like, pros and cons with what I was able to get with. It's a really amazing set. I'll make sure I leave a link below, but the set that I bought has 2 pairs of wireless mics along with the transmitter, and just being able to pick up clear audio footage at any distance that I'm used to working with is absolutely amazing. That Clear Cut Pro for the Hollyland wireless mics. You have a charging case that come with it as well, and if I'm not mistaken, I did an unboxing. I'll make sure I leave the link below for you guys, but that is one of my favorite pieces of equipment for my camera and just being able to do my job professionally well. I'm currently using the Hollyland wireless mics on my chest as of right now, and I use that for all of my YouTube videos, including all my interviews. And I can't wait to test this out in new heights and new things. You know, you always want to challenge yourself with a new piece of equipment so you get that you get. But again, this is Matthew Cone from Cone's Graphics. Thank you guys for tuning in. We talked about Hollyland wireless mics, the 2 set with the charger case. And thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe. Cone's Graphics.